Personal Finance Crash Course. Real Estate Investing. Introduction. Real estate investing is an exciting and potentially lucrative venture that involves the purchase, ownership, management, rental, or sale of properties. It offers various opportunities for individuals to grow their wealth, generate passive income, and diversify their investment portfolio. In this crash course, we will explore the fundamentals of real estate investing, share interesting stories and examples, discuss the top 12 real estate investing techniques, and provide a comprehensive overview of this dynamic field. Part 1. Understanding real estate investing. Real estate investing involves the purchase of properties with the intention of generating income or capital appreciation. It can be categorized into different strategies, including residential, commercial, industrial, and land investing. Let's delve into some interesting stories and examples to give you a taste of the possibilities that real estate investing offers. Story 1. The power of rental properties. Imagine owning a rental property that consistently generates monthly income. You find a charming duplex in a desirable neighborhood, and after careful analysis, you determine that the rental income will cover your mortgage, expenses, and provide a healthy profit. Over time, as property values increase and rental demand rises, your investment appreciates in value, and you build equity. This is just one example of how rental properties can be a great long-term investment strategy. Story 2. The success of real estate flipping. Real estate flipping involves purchasing properties, renovating them, and selling them at a higher price to make a profit. Let's say you come across a neglected property in a promising location. You utilize your knowledge of the market and the potential for value appreciation. You invest in renovations, enhancing the property's appeal. After a few months of hard work, you successfully sell the property for a significant profit. This exemplifies the potential rewards of real estate flipping when done strategically and with careful planning. Part 2. Top 12 Real Estate Investing Techniques. Buy and hold strategy. This strategy involves purchasing properties with the intention of holding onto them for the long term, generating rental income and enjoying potential appreciation over time. Flipping properties. Flipping properties involves buying distressed or undervalued properties, renovating them, and selling them quickly for a profit. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs are investment vehicles that allow individuals to invest in real estate properties without directly owning them. Investors can buy shares of publicly traded REITs and earn dividends from the rental income generated by the properties. Real estate crowdfunding. Crowdfunding platforms enable individuals to pool their resources to invest in real estate projects. Investors can contribute a smaller amount of capital and diversify their investments across multiple properties. Real estate syndication. Syndication involves pooling resources from multiple investors to acquire and manage large-scale real estate projects. This allows individual investors to participate in deals that would otherwise be out of reach. Lease options. Lease options give the tenant the right to purchase the property at a predetermined price within a specific timeframe. This strategy benefits both the buyer and the seller, providing flexibility and potential profit. Seller financing. In seller financing, the seller acts as the lender and provides financing to the buyer. This can be an attractive option for buyers who may not qualify for traditional financing or prefer more flexible terms. Vacation rentals. Investing in vacation rentals allows investors to generate income by renting out properties for short-term stays, such as through platforms like Airbnb. This can be particularly lucrative in tourist destinations. Wholesaling. Wholesaling involves finding distressed properties, securing them under contract, and assigning the contract to another buyer for a fee. This strategy requires strong negotiation skills and an extensive network. Commercial real estate investing. Investing in commercial properties such as office buildings, retail spaces, or warehouses can provide steady cash flow and long-term appreciation. Tax lien investing. Investing in tax liens involves purchasing the tax debt on properties and earning interest or acquiring the property if the debt is not repaid. This strategy can offer high returns but requires thorough research and understanding of local regulations. Real estate development. Real estate development involves purchasing land and constructing properties, either for resale or for long-term investment. This strategy requires extensive knowledge of construction, zoning regulations, and market demand. Part 3. Summary. Real estate investing offers a wide range of opportunities for individuals to grow their wealth and achieve financial goals. Whether through rental properties, flipping, REITs, or other strategies, investors can benefit from cash flow, appreciation, tax advantages, and portfolio diversification. However, it's essential to conduct thorough research, understand the market dynamics, and develop a solid investment plan before venturing into real estate investing. In conclusion, real estate investing is a dynamic and exciting field with numerous strategies and techniques to explore. By understanding the fundamentals, analyzing market trends, and utilizing effective investment techniques, individuals can navigate the world of real estate investing with confidence and potentially achieve long-term financial success. Poem. In the realm of real estate, where fortunes are made. Investing in properties, foundations laid. From rental income to flips with a flair. The world of real estate, full of opportunities rare. From buying and holding for long-term gains, to flipping properties with creative brains. Real estate investment trusts, a passive delight. Investing in properties, both day and night. Crowdfunding and syndication, pooling resources so grand. Investing in projects, across the land. Lease options and seller financing, flexibility in sight. Vacation rentals, offering travelers respite. Wholesaling and commercial real estate. Tax lien investing, opportunities to create. Real estate development, construction and design. Investing in properties, a journey so fine. So explore the world of real estate. With diligence and insight, navigate. Diversify your portfolio, seize the day. Real estate investing, lighting your way. Song. Verse 1. In the world of real estate, dreams are made. Investing in properties, a path well paved. From rental income to flipping with style. Let's dive into the strategies that make us smile. Chorus. Real estate investing, the road to wealth. With patience and knowledge, we'll increase our health. Buy and hold, or flip for quick gain. The world of real estate, it's ours to claim. Verse 2. Real estate investment trusts, a way to diversify. Share in the profits, reach for the sky. Crowdfunding and syndication, joining hands. Investing in projects, across the lands. Chorus. Real estate investing, the road to wealth. With patience and knowledge, we'll increase our health. Buy and hold, or flip for quick gain. The world of real estate, it's ours to claim. Bridge. Lease options and seller financing, options abound. Flexibility and creativity, let's astound. Vacation rentals, a world to explore. Investing in properties, open the door. Chorus. Real estate investing, the road to wealth. With patience and knowledge, we'll increase our health. Buy and hold, or flip for quick gain. The world of real estate, it's ours to claim. Verse 3. Wholesaling and commercial real estate. Tax liens and development, seize your fate. Opportunities are endless, for those who dare. Real estate investing, a journey beyond compare. Chorus. Real estate investing, the road to wealth. With patience and knowledge, we'll increase our health. Buy and hold, or flip for quick gain. The world of real estate, it's ours to claim. Outro. So venture into the world of real estate. With determination, there's no need to wait. Explore the techniques, seize the chance. Real estate investing, a lifelong dance. *****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.